How to fix your Xfinity that's stuck on voice guidance. So you're gonna have to prepare your remote and just turn on your TV, of course. So on your remote, press on Xfinity over here, and you're gonna have to navigate yourself into the settings. It's gonna look like this, which is a little cog icon. It can be different for some models, but as long as you go inside your settings. So once you're in your settings, find this option, which is accessibility settings. And once you press on accessibility settings, you will get multiple options. So just focus on audio description over here and voice guidance. You can go ahead and move your remote to those options. And once you're there, make sure these options are turned off. So the audio description toggled off and then the voice guidance toggled off. It should pretty much automatically apply, but if there is a save option, go ahead and press on save as well. And that's pretty much it. Your Xfinity will no longer be stuck on voice guidance. So it's basically the way to disable your narration. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.